Good morning, Yellow Class. This is your last maths video for the week. It's Thursday the 14th of January. Today we're going to look at dividing by 100, and then tomorrow you're going to have a go at multiplying by 10, dividing by 10, multiplying by 100 and dividing by 100. You'll need your place value grid again today. These are the calculations that we're going to find the quotient for today. In year 3, when we divide by 100, we only ever divide 100 numbers by 100 with 0 tens. This is because if we had numbers in the tens column, this would make a decimal number when we divide by 100, and we do not do this in year 3. When we divide by 100, we can do it in 2 steps, just like when we multiply. We can divide by 100 straight away by turning the hundreds number into a ones number, or we can divide by 10 and divide by 10 again. I'll show you both of these steps. First, we're going to look at 600 divided by 100. So 600 has 6 hundreds, 0 tens and 0 ones. What I want you to do, if you are going to divide by 100 straight away, is I just want you to make your hundreds into ones. So the quotient of 600 divided by 100 equals 6. When we use the two-step method to divide by 100, we're going to start with our tens, just like when we divided a hundreds number by 10 on Tuesday. We're going to turn the 0 tens into 0 ones and the 600 into 6 tens, and then we turn the 6 tens into 6 ones. And both ways show us that the quotient of 600 divided by 100 equals 6. Next, we're going to have a look at 300 divided by 100. 300 is made of 3 hundreds, 0 tens and 0 ones. If you're doing the one-step method, your 3 hundreds become 3 ones, and 300 divided by 100 has a quotient of 3. If you're doing the two-step method, you start with your tens. Your 0 tens become 0 ones, and your 3 hundreds become 3 tens, and then we divide by 10 again, and our 3 tens become 3 ones. And again, 300 divided by 100 has a quotient of 3. Next, we're going to do 100 divided by 100. I'd like to think that you know the answer to this already, but we'll do it with this method anyway. 100 divided by 100 in the one-step method, the 100s become 1 ones, and the quotient of 100 divided by 100 equals 1. With the two-step method, we're going to divide by 10 first. So we start with our tens number, our 0 tens become 0 ones, our 100s become 1 tens, and then we're going to do 10 divided by 10, and our 1 tens become 1 1. Finally, we're going to do 800 divided by 100. 800 is made of 8 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 ones. The one-step method, where you divide by 100 straight away, the 800s become 8 ones, and it shows us that the quotient of 800 divided by 100 equals 8. For the two-step method, we're going to divide by 10 first, so the 0 tens become 0 ones, and the 800s become 8 tens, and then 80 divided by 10, the 8 tens become 8 ones. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to divide by 100. It doesn't matter whether you use the one-step method or the two-step method, as long as you get the right answer. Good luck, see you soon!